Are you wondering what type of bank account you need to use Zelle? Maybe you want to send money quickly to friends, pay bills instantly, or receive funds without waiting days. In this video, I'll break down exactly what you need and how to choose the best bank account for Zelle. First, let's clarify what Zelle is. Zelle is a digital payment network that lets you send and receive money directly between bank accounts. It's fast, often instant, and completely free if your bank supports it. But the key is that Zelle works only with certain types of bank accounts. So, what account types work with Zelle? Zelle works with checking accounts and some savings accounts. The primary requirement is that your bank must be partnered with Zelle. Most major U.S. banks and credit unions, like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Capital One, are Zelle partners. If your bank is partnered, you can usually access Zelle directly from your mobile banking app, which makes transfers seamless. It's important to note that prepaid cards and business accounts are often not supported for Zelle transfers. If you have a prepaid debit card or certain types of small business accounts, you may not be able to send or receive money using Zelle. So, if your goal is fast and convenient transfers for personal use, a personal checking account at a major bank is your safest bet. Now, if you don't have a bank that supports Zelle directly, there's another option. You can still use Zelle through the Zelle app itself, but you'll need a US-based debit card linked to a checking or savings account. This gives you access to Zelle even if your bank isn't officially partnered. However, using a Zelle-enabled bank account is simpler because it avoids extra steps and potential limits on how much money you can send. Speaking of limits, most Zelle-enabled bank accounts have daily and monthly sending limits, which vary by bank. For example, some banks allow up to $1,000 per day, while others let you send up to $2,500. These limits are something to consider if you plan to use Zelle regularly or for larger transfers. Choosing a bank with higher limits can save you a lot of hassle. So, which bank accounts are best for Zelle? If you want speed and convenience, major national banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or Citibank are excellent options. They allow instant transfers and integrate Zelle right into their apps. For smaller banks and credit unions, it's important to check if they are Zelle partners. Many community banks are supported, but the experience may vary slightly. Before you open an account, think about these questions. Do you want to send money instantly every day? Do you need low or no fees? Do you prefer a bank with a full mobile app experience? Answering these questions helps you pick the right checking account for Zelle. To summarize, the type of bank account you need for Zelle is usually a personal checking account at a bank partnered with Zelle. Some savings accounts may also work, but prepaid cards and most business accounts typically do not. Major banks provide the easiest and fastest experience, and using a partnered bank avoids extra steps or limits. If you're ready to set up Zelle, make sure your bank account is eligible, link it to Zelle through your bank's app or the Zelle app, and verify your identity. Once that's done, sending and receiving money is as easy as sending a text. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and share this video with friends who want faster, easier ways to transfer money.